Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. So this video is for you guys because I'm definitely gonna get copyright on this one. I've got like six copyrighted musics on this, so yeah, we're just gonna get copyrighted. I just know it straight away. The video might not even be allowed on, but who knows? We'll see. Alright, we're doing a speaker test on the MK6 Golf. This is the stock standard speaker test. So these are stock, and I think the stocks are amazing, guys. And you can also get the upgraded ones, which were the dyno audio ones from this year. And the new ones, new cars use the better ones. I don't know what the brand was. It's not Meridian, is it? No. What did the new ones use? I can't remember, but yeah, the Polos come with like Beats audio and shit, but I can't remember what the new Golfs come with.
I know that
it's not Beats.
Jag does Meridian. That's what is in the XA.
But these are just the stock speakers, so I'll show you how they like. I guess so. We're gonna play the first song, Corn by Too Smoky. This video got taken down straight away, so mad. It's a really good song though. It's got a sick beat, and then when it drops, you'll hear the drop. We're outside Labib's village at the moment, his mansion, so we don't want to disturb everyone, so let's go for it. Sounds alright, guys, isn't it? The bass is immense, guys. The trebles are very good as well, and everything else is very good. So we'll go to the next song now. As you can tell, these speakers I think these speakers are definitely amazing. Like you don't really need anything. So this one is a GTA favorite. It's one of my all-time favorites. Let's go for it. Lady Hear Me Tonight. So this is like a fruity song. Very nice, very nice. What do you think, guys? Oh, when it drops in, guys. The bass is really good. Sometimes the bass is too high, like I'll have it there, just there, and you can hear it from down the street, which is bad. These are pretty good speakers, like amazing. Alright, we'll go for the next song, Labib. Alright, this one is a very drop. When you hear the drops, is alright. Listen, guys. So these are all my speaker test. These songs are for my speaker test. You listen. Ooh, you can hear the bass. I don't know how well it picks up on the camera. Don't want that too loud. I'm gonna wake everyone up. It's 6 o'clock in the morning right now. Ooh. Can you hear the bass, guys? I'll bring you too closer to the speaker. So these are tweeters. Okay, next song. What's the next one? Private. When does it drop? Does it drop straight away? Can't remember. Okay, so this is another speaker test song. It's a very good song. When it drops, guys. Ooh, listen to the bass, guys. I wish I could show you better, but it is what it is. It's pretty good. Alright, next song, Labib. When this drops, this is a good song as well. All the high notes are very good on this. So these speakers are very good. Skip a bit, because it drops in later on it. When she says, "Oh, Miss Jagger, oh, Miss Jagger." Can you hear the bass? Can you hear the treble? Oh wait, there's a car coming. No, it's not coming here. When it drops, it's mad. Listen to this, guys. Oh, listen to that. You got the bass, you got the treble, you got everything. You got the mid notes, everything, guys. It's amazing. Alright, is there any more songs? Last song, guys. Bloodwalk. Shout out to these guys. I have no affiliation with either of them. Because they're your boys. This guy, man, this guy. When this drops, it's sick. Very nice, isn't it, guys? Very nice. So, in conclusion, these stock speakers, they're goddamn amazing, I think. And everyone who's been in this car, they think the speakers are amazing in this car as well. They're just the perfect balance of everything. Albeit the bass might be a bit too much, but I think that's just because of my door, because this door's a bit faulty. But yeah, because it leaks some sound out of it. So yeah, it's not bad. I like these speakers, and yeah, highly recommend these stock speakers. They're pretty decent. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hopefully I didn't wake anyone up. Hopefully, inshallah. But yeah,